Hello, childrens. How are you? Hope you all are very fine and also learning all the subjects very carefully. Okay, and I'm going to teach you English. So take out your English book, Zigzag My ABC, and turn on the page number 67. Today we will learn about the letter S. Today we will learn about the letter S. And you can see now this is the capital letter S and this is the small letter S, and here also we have capital letter S and this is the small letter S. At first, look at here. What is this? This is the sun, and this sun is smiling. You can see now this is a smiling sun. So this sun is starting with the letter S. And what is this? This is a ship, and this ship is also starting with the letter S. So we can say S for sun, S for ship, and S will sound like sh. S will sound like sun, ship, sun, ship, just like that. Okay, so we can say S for sun, S for ship. And now come to the book here. Here is a beautiful rhyme. You can see now the ship sailed in the sea. Bright was the sun. We were sipping hot tea and having fun. This is the ship, this is the sun, and this is the sea. And they are sipping hot tea and having fun. Okay, let's read the rhyme again. The ship sailed in the sea. Bright was the sun. We were sipping hot tea and having fun. So, all these words, ship, sun, sea, are starting with the letter S. So, we can say S for ship, S for sun, and S for sea also. Okay, we have already learned that here S for sun. Sun is starting with the letter S, and S will sound like S. Ship, sun, sea, just like that. And you have to learn this word starting with the letter S. Okay. And now here you have to read aloud along with your teacher. So what is this? Sunflower, strawberry, sandwich and spoon. So read again with me. Sunflower, strawberry, sandwich, spoon. Okay. So what you have learned? What is this? This is a sunflower. This is a strawberry. This is a sandwich and this is a spoon. So all these words are starting with the letter S. You can see now this S letter is in red color and this is the starting letter. So we can say S for sunflower, S for strawberry, S for sandwich and S for spoon. So you have to learn these words also starting with the letter S. Okay. And now here is an activity and you have to do it in your book. This page will be your homework. So write HW on this page. Okay. Now trace the pictures. We have done already did this type of work in our previous classes. Like trace the pictures. You can see now there are some dots and you have to join the dots like this. You can see now I have done these two pictures already. So at first trace the pictures, then color those whose names start with letter S, and we have already did this type of work in our previous classes and it is very easy and interesting also. So you have to at first you have to trace the pictures, then find out the later pictures that are starting with the letter S. Like at first, what is this? This is a seahorse. This is a seahorse. It is found in the sea. So this seahorse is starting with the letter S. Seahorse. and you have to trace it and also color it. Okay, and what is this? This is a starfish. This is also found in the sea. So this starfish also starting with the letter S. So you have to uh, add a trace and color this picture also. Okay, and then what is this? This is a shell. This is a shell, and this shell is also starting with the letter S. So you have to trace and color this picture also. Okay, so we have now S for seahorse, S for starfish, and S for shell. So you have to trace and color these pictures. And now come to this picture. What is this? This is a kite. We have already learnt in our previous class, and this kite is not starting with the letter A, so you don't need to color this. Okay, and trace. At first complete all the trace all the pictures. Okay, then you have to color those whose letter starting with the letter S. So you have to trace it only. And then what is this? This is an igloo. We have already learned in your previous classes. And this igloo is not starting with the letter S, so you don't need to color this also. And now what is this? This is a snake. Snake means sharp, and this snake is starting with the letter S. Snake. So you have to color this picture. Okay, so you have to color these 4 things: seahorse, starfish, shell, and snake. Okay, so this page will be your homework, and you have to complete it in your book. Okay, and now we will learn how to write the letter S. Okay, we will learn how to write the letter S. Writing letter, this letter is just like a snake na. এটা অনেকটা সাপের মতো দেখতে. So and this letter, writing this letter is very easy. I'm showing you. At first go to the top or the red line or the first line. Just draw a right open curved line like this. Right open curved line, isn't it? Right open curved line. Then from here, from the middle, you have to draw a left open curved line like this. So right open curved line, then left open curved line. Okay, and it becomes the letter S, and beautifully it is written, isn't it? And you have to maintain the lines. At first start from the red line, then finish at the third line. Okay, just do it again. Right open curved line from first line to the middle, and from the middle you have to draw a left open curved line like this, and it becomes the letter S, and it is very easy. At first right open curved line, then left open curved line, again it becomes the letter S. Right open curved line, then left open curved line, again it becomes the letter S. Just you have to maintain the lines clearly. Okay, so writing letter is very easy now. Okay, so you have to practice writing this letter in this way. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.